Welcome to TecoGuide, the only app designed to help you navigate your college and career journey in the quickest and most affordable way. This podcast is brought to you by Equity, dedicated to opening doors to higher education and career opportunities for all.
What's up, everyone? Professor G coming at you from Sacramento's Show and Shine Car Show, connecting and talking to everyone about different options available to them. Let me give you an example. I just convinced this young man to start school in summer. He's a junior in high school. This little homie is going to start with the welding program at American River College. He's then going to be adding an Automotive Transmission Specialist certification to that as well. After that, we're going to convert that to a Business Administration Associate's degree for transfer so that he can enter the university at a later time and pursue his bachelor's degree. Now that's a pathway. And he's going to be using our TecoGuide app to guide him all the way through. In addition, he'll be able to use our financial aid and support services feature to figure out what grants he qualified for and what program he can enter to get more help. So follow us on all social media platforms at TecoGuide and download our free app.
Thank you for tuning into TecoGuide, the app focused on bringing you tools and content to help you make better decisions about school, life, and career. We hope this episode has inspired you to pursue and excel in your own educational and career journey. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share.